Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the section called Security and Privacy. Then let's go to Device Unlock and tap on Fingerprint. Basically, if you've got your screen lock currently applied, you will be transferred to another step directly to the fingerprint. If not, you have to add the screen lock right now, just like I have to do it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So let me choose the pattern and let me quickly set it like that. Here we can decide what kind of notification content we want to show, so it's completely up to you, just mark the option. Here let's tap on Setup, and here we've got the information that if we are using the screen protector, it might affect the fingerprints, so be aware about that. And here we've got the information that each time you add a new screen protector, re-enroll your finger for the best accuracy. So remember about that. Here we've got the sensor, so all we have to do is to put our finger on it. Okay, it was detected. So now we have to simply put it on the sensor multiple times to add our fingerprint fully. Here we've got the animation, so we can always try to look at it and just recreate the steps. So just let me do it, be patient, and change the position of the finger to catch everything. Oh, another one. Okay, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so just tap on Done here. And this is the fingerprint section. We do not have a lot of things to do here. This is our fingerprint. We just added, we can rename it or remove it. Rename it just by tapping on it. Here we can also add another fingerprint. Usually it's quite normal that the device will allow to add up to 5 different fingerprints. So probably here we've got same amount. And we've got animation styles, so as you can see we've got only 3. We've got radial waves, boomerang and chroma dial, so completely up to you which you'd like to use. Alright, so we just added the fingerprint to the device, so now let's lock it and check if it is working. So we do not have a sensor here. So, I mean, it is not visible on the lock screen. So we can try to unlock it just by putting the finger in the right spot. Let me do it. And as you can see, it worked. So it doesn't mean that you have to see the sensor. You just need to put the finger in the proper section. And I believe that after a few times, you will be able to learn exactly where the sensor is. But the device is obviously unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.